Bobby Adams World here. And no, I'm not trying to sell you a car. I'm actually showing you my world, my shop, everything there where I work at. So check it out. This is the garage where we do a lot of the work. Actually, my dad does a lot of the work. I don't really work on this shit. I'm more of a marketing guy, and I find this stuff. So full of Cadillacs, as you see, 59 and 60. Those are like, this is my favorite years, 59 and 60 Caddies. The signs, they are not for sale, but pedal cars. I tend to do a lot of like go-karts and pedal cars lately. So these actually are for sale. They're gonna be for sale and bring a trailer. This one's really cool. This is an electric, like Packard, like electric toy car from the 20s. Then we got a couple Cadillacs here. These are both Eldorados with 11,000 miles and 14,000 miles. I like the low mile ones. They got that out of an estate. I might just sell that the way it sits. It's actually a nice car, just looks like shit. This came from a Raiders player up in, when the Raiders were up in California. It's a nice car. That Mustang's needs to go away. That's been way too long. And some more Porsches of the collection. We're just getting them ready to sell. 69 Camaro, pace car, big block. Getting ready, that one ready to sell. Everyone's favorite Celica that did a lot of money on Bring a Trailer. 59 Nash Ambassador. So I got into American Motors because my grandpa was an American Motors dealer, so you'll see some AMXs and stuff, but that's getting ready for sale. Some more Porsches, Project GTOs. Those will be for sale too. I convinced my dad to not restore them because he got enough going on. Got the old faithful truck and trailer to tow this old shit when it breaks down or doesn't run. And then they got Buttercup here, which we're getting ready to sell. We got it running finally. Actually ran right away. We just got to replace the baffle. And then a 59 Cadillac limousine. Came out of an estate. And we'll go to the other garage here. So this is like a 6-car garage, but it fits 10 because we have lifts in all the bays, except for the last one, which actually I have my office. So let's check it out. Got Mark here breaking a sweat. And this is my office where I work sometimes. And all the memorabilia that we collect. Books about cars, of course. Cadillac couches. My dad actually builds these. They're real 59 Caddies. I've done some other content on those. And then we have more cars. It's to restore a lot of stuff before we get ready to sell. Thunderbird sold. This is going up for sale. These two are up for sale. Then we got a AMC Marlin that's going to Canada. This is a 64 Lincoln Continental. The next $1 million Lincoln. We're gonna make $2 million Lincoln here. So you can really break the bank next time. And some AMXs. These two AMXs are my dad's. Oh, I can show you. Let me see. Should probably hang this on a wall, but somehow stuff gets put in front of it. So this is me as a young man. And I was dealing go-karts for a living. That's all I dealt in. And that was my grandpa, Bob Sr. That's Bob Jr., my dad. And this is, my grandpa did a lot of Packards. So he's been doing classics since 1950. So it's all like the old school stuff. They each have a story. They've been around a long time. And I'm actually more passionate about finding them and discovering them. And in really cool places and bringing them to the world, to people that have been looking for that type of car or want to, give it its next life because they've been sitting over here and not being used. Well, now someone can get to use them, and I feel like I'm like that bridge. for people to discover these classic cars. And there's unique, and there's obviously certain ones I like better than others, but if you like classic car content, be sure to follow me. It's free. Hit that follow, subscribe, share, and thank you. Now you've seen my crib, so get out. Yeah, no, yeah.